Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale through your mouth, let go of everything that has been. All the thoughts, all the tension, all the doing of this day. Another deep breath now. And with this exhale, feel your body beginning to soften, as if the very air around you is holding you, supporting you. And you can allow yourself to simply be here in this moment with nothing to do and nowhere to go. And as a K, and I want you to notice the weight of your body, how it rests against the surface beneath you. Feel the heaviness in your legs, your arms, your torso, as gravity gently pulls you deeper into relaxation. You are safe here. You are held, and you are already beginning to drift as your mind, like a gentle river, flows naturally towards stillness. With each breath you take, you are entering a state of deep, peaceful rest. A tuck-to-beat breath you take, you are entering a state of deep, peaceful rest. And as you listen to the sound of I want you to think of a time in your life when you felt completely at peace, deeply rested, fully safe. Perhaps it was lying in a warm bed after a long day, or floating on calm water under a gentle sun, or simply sitting in silence, feeling the stillness within. And as with a worn bed after a long day, or floating on calm water under a gentle sun, or simply sitting in silence, feeling the stillness within. Let that memory come forward now. And as you do this, you are anchoring that state of deep peace, so that whenever you need it, this touch can bring it back. Now, repeat these words silently in your mind, letting them sink into your subconscious, like seeds into soft soil. I am safe. I am at peace. And as you repeat these words, feel them resonating in your chest, in your belly, in every cell of your body, as if your entire being is absorbing this truth. Now, I want you to imagine a soft, warm light, a gentle glow that begins at the center of your chest. And with each breath, this light expands, spreading warmth and relaxation through your shoulder. Now, I want you to imagine that you are lying in a field under a vast, starry sky. The air is cool and gentle, the grass soft beneath you, and you can hear the distant sound of a quiet breeze, the rustle of leaves. And with each breath, you are drifting deeper, deeper into a state of profound rest. And with each breath, you are drifting deeper, deeper into a state of profound rest. Now, as if the stars are singing a lullaby only your soul can hear. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations silently, letting them become your truth. I release all effort. Now I surrender to the peace of this moment. My body knows how to rest deeply. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations silently, letting them become your truth. I release all effort. Now I surrender to the peace of this moment. This. My body knows how to rest deeply. Step 2. Your subconscious is open and receptive. Step 1. You are here in complete stillness. And now, imagine that you are standing at the entrance of a beautiful, quiet room. A room filled with soft, golden light. And in this room, there is a comfortable bed waiting for you. And in this room, there is a comfortable bed waiting for you. You walk into the room, and as you lie down on the bed, you feel the softness embracing you, the warmth of the blankets, the gentle support of the pillows. And in this room, there is no time, no worry, no need for anything except rest, drawing. Every cell of my body is regenerating now. I am completely at peace. Sleep is my natural state of healing. And as you say these words, imagine that your subconscious is like a garden, and each affirmation is a seed planted in rich, fertile soil. And with the water of your breath and the light of your intention, these seeds are growing. You can feel the roots of peace spreading through your being, the stems of calm rising, the flowers of deep rest blooming. And with each breath, you are sinking deeper, deeper into the soft embrace of sleep. As if the very fabric of the universe is wrapping around you, holding you. I want you to repeat these final affirmations, letting them be your last conscious thoughts before sleep. I am safe in the arms of the night. Now I want thee to complete these final affirmations, letting them be your last conscious thoughts before sleep. I am safe in the arms of the night, when my sleep is deep, peaceful, and restorative. I wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. I am grateful for this gift of rest. And as you drift now, know that your subconscious is integrating all of these words, weaving them into the fabric of your being, so that even as you sleep, transformation is occurring. You are becoming a person who sleeps deeply, who rests completely, who wakes up feeling whole and healed. And I want you to imagine that as you sleep, you are surrounded by a cocoon of golden light, a light that protects you, nurtures you, and in this cocoon, you are safe from all disturbance. Your breathing is slow, rhythmic, effortless. Rising and falling, rising and falling. And in this moment, you are all of these things, resting, healing. Still, I am rest, at the leafed on the slough, and as you continue to drift, I want you to repeat these words one last time, letting them be your final affirmation before sleep. I am peace. Now, allow your awareness to soften like a candle flame, gently fading until there is only the quiet, the stillness, the deep, peaceful darkness. Now, aloud of beast, you are free. You are loved. You are free. Now a leaf of free peace. Your journey into sleep is complete, and you are now resting in the arms of the night. In unite Delos to Slough, where all is well, and all is peaceful. Now a leaf said, what have a leaf to slough the sleep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Have each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.